What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to be detailing this 2019 BMW 330i xDrive. It hasn't been washed in probably a couple of months, and it's just got some dirt on the tires, dirt on the inside. We're gonna clean it all up. Before we get into this detail, please take a moment to subscribe. I post videos like this weekly for everyone's enjoyment and satisfaction, and it is greatly appreciated. Now, as we go around the vehicle, you can see that it's not all too bad. Certain areas such as the wheels just need some attention, and this Beamer will be looking perfect again. Like always, I start by taking out the rubber floor mats, as they take the longest to dry. I use the pressure washer, my drill brush, and some soap and clean them right up. Now, like the last BMW I did, this one also has carpeted wheel wells, which makes them more difficult to clean. And for anyone wondering why BMW would carpet the wheel wells, it is to reduce road noise inside the vehicle. After layering the car in a nice thick foam, I go around with my ultra soft detail brush and agitate the dirt around the grille, logos, handles, and those hard to reach places of the car. When cleaning the wheels, I spray on my tire cleaning foam, let it sit for a couple of seconds, then agitate it with my brushes. I then rinse it with the pressure washer and repeat the steps until the foam turns white. Now for further detailing the exterior, I will soon be purchasing an orbital polisher and some detailing clay to make sure my customers are getting the best quality detail available. For the interior, my steps are first cleaning out any garbage or personal items and vacuum all surfaces on the inside of the car. I then stain extract and shampoo all carpets and fabric seats. Finally, I steam clean all the trim and apply protectant to every square inch of the interior. The reason for the towels underneath the pedals while I steam clean them is to prevent any of the dirt from the pedals from going into the freshly cleaned carpet. All right, that's it for today's video. The car came out great. Was a little tough since you could see everything on it, but in the end, it came out real nice. See you in the next video.